So Ericsson Drone Mobility is about the confluence of telecom and aviation. There's so much of things happening in the drones, and how do you make them fly safe and secure? Ericsson Drone Mobility leverages the intelligence coming from telecom networks to make them safe and secure.
We've been involved in this project over the past years along with key partners to utilize our existing assets as a mobile network operator in a new way. So there is an important difference from our existing grid, and that is obviously that the drones are in the air. So there is some network-wise challenges that we need to solve in order to make sure that we have profound coverage for the drones.
With the 5G connectivities, we have been exploring on the reliable connectivities with the network slicing, with the observability on the drone sites, and also we can do dynamically change of quality of service. We are looking at the drone identification, so this is very important that you are saying that you are you.
There are multiple challenges. One challenge is you cannot fly drones beyond, let's say, 3 to 5 kilometers because you're still controlling a drone with a hand controller. So the intent is, how do you control a drone from hundreds of kilometers away? And that's where mobile networks could play a very vital role.
So with the safety regulations, is also we are looking at how do we avoid the density of peoples. The sim density map, actually the drone operators and also the regulators will be actually knowing where exactly, when is the peoples coming across, so we can avoid flying over those areas. The drones will be tracking in accuracy up to 2 centimeters.
We need to cater for increased security so that the drones are certain that they're able to fly. They can't just rely on a best effort network and still sort of do their operations any different than what they are doing already today. So that is why we realized that there are definitely partners who want us as a telco to step up, to support them to be more efficient, and we have a business potential by using our network in a new way.
What Ericsson Drone Mobility does is it takes that intelligence from mobile networks, which is already there, and leverages it back to the drone ecosystem so that the drone makes an intelligent decision in real time. In this example, when a drone was at the parking lot, they were able to find the car but with a blurred image. In real time, they requested the operator, can we have better quality of service on demand? And from 100 kbps, approximately 4 to 5 Mbps was available. And those are some of the live cases which the drone ecosystem can really use from mobile operators.
Together with our partner TDC NET, we have been demonstrated this in the live macro network with all 5 different cases, and then we have been published innovation white papers in GSMA Foundry.
So we highly recommend people who are looking at innovations to join GSMA Foundry, come up with their solutions, show their solutions to the world, and that's where the GSMA Foundry really helps them. Highly recommended for a lot of innovations and even the bigger companies to join them.